Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.